Today, we're going to explain the correct method to install the cap system on an HCU2 embroidery machine. The first step is to select the hoop you'll be using. In this case, the cap system. Go to the hoop selection menu, choose the cap system, and once it's selected, exit and go back to the main screen. Once you're back, center the pantograph. At this point, the pantograph will move into position and be ready to receive the cap system. Your cap system comes like this. The inner shaft can rotate, but it always has a guide at the top. The arms should align with that guide and always face toward you. Once you have it positioned correctly, you'll notice a slot that matches the arm shape. Carefully slide the system in, making sure not to hit the presser feet. Gently push it all the way to the back. At the back, you'll find two small screws that act as guides. These fit into the first holes, which are marked with a cap icon and an arrow showing the correct position. Push it carefully toward the back until the guides line up with the cap symbols. Once aligned, you'll notice at the bottom there are also small stops that indicate when the system is fully in place. Once it's properly positioned, grab the screws, hold the arm in place, and secure them next to the guide screw. That's the only spot where they should be fastened. Make sure it's tightly pressed before tightening. After that, attach the next screw and finally, the two bottom screws. These bottom ones are fixed, they don't fall off, but make sure to tighten them properly. Once you've completed this process, your cap system is ready and properly installed, and you can start hooping caps for embroidery.